Hello and good morning from the UK. Today's date is Sunday the 9th of the 3rd 2014. On the Forex market I've been looking at this particular pair. There's a number of reasons why I've been looking at this particular pair, and this particular pair is the Australian dollar against the Swissy, which is the chef, as we call it. Okay, what I see here is that we have a high test bar. This high test bar is coming off that pivot. That particular high test bar did come out on Thursday last week. Obviously, if you go back a little bit, that would be Saturday would be the 8th, Friday would be the 7th. So on the 6th, last Thursday, this particular bar here was the daily bar for that particular day. It is what I call an high test bar. What happened on Friday is that we've had a bit of a reversal after 4 good days of a retracement. Because of the retracement, we've also hit what we call this 50 EMA. It's hit the 50 EMA, it's hit the pivot, which gives it the test bar, and also it's coming back over. It's came back through the 50 EMA. So there, and that type of resistance is good, which gives you obviously then going into Friday this little red bar. Now coming into tomorrow's trading, which is the 10th of the 3rd, 14th, Monday, I honestly think that this trade is obviously going to go down a little bit further. It is coming off a downward trend if you look at it long term. So it has the trend in its favour because obviously it's going down and it's a long trend. So I'm looking at this because of being a long trend to being a good friend. I expect to put my order in round about here for it to go down with a stop loss round about here. And I would expect to take profits round about here. Now, as you can see, this particular platform is not moving. With it being Sunday, it's just allowing me to obviously record it for the time being. But there's no movements as now, and the trading won't, or this platform, sorry, won't open until UK time 10 o'clock tonight. Now I am expecting a change, but also because of the news was come out of China over the weekend, the trade balance in China is minus 23 billion, which is not good. Now I honestly think it will affect this particular trade as well. One, because Australia come from the Asian part of the world, so that will, there's another factor in this particular trade, and the reason why I think it's going to go down. Again, with it being an order, I need to trigger it round about here. If this trade decides, this particular trend decides to go back the other way, that trade will not have ended because it won't have pushed through this particular barrier here. And this is what I'm expecting. If it does pull through this particular barrier, I'm expecting to carry on obviously for a couple of days, and I've got another platform here what I use, and I will be following it on this particular strategy. And this strategy here is, I have a 20 EMA here moving average, and I also have a 5 moving average here. If that trade particularly triggers here tomorrow, I'm expecting obviously to go down, possibly could even go down as far as what we call a daily pivots via what you call a trader's pivot. You can see by the oscillator we're at the top end, so it's definitely moving towards the downside there. We do have a grey movement here, which is good because it's telling you it's in the middle of nowhere at the moment, but obviously the movement could be to go to green or to red, which I'm expecting this particular bias bar to go red. The risk oscillator obviously will turn. I can see this turning and going red and coming down this way. What we do is we follow this trade down to here and to here and to here, whatever, but we must follow it down with a stop loss on each bar as it finishes on the key. If you were to expect to take profit, you would look to take profit round about this particular angle here. This, how we're going to watch over the next couple of days. If you would care to watch it with me, I would like that. Anyway, I will sign off for now, and I will catch you up later. Alligator.